Solve the equation using the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And this is going to be a is 2, b is negative 6, and c is negative 9. So let's substitute and solve for x. X equals negative of negative 6 plus or minus square root of negative 6 squared, and minus 4 times 2 for a, and then times negative 9 for c. All over 2 times 2 for a. So let's simplify a little bit. X equals negative of negative 6 is 6, plus or minus the square root of 36. And then 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. And it's negative times negative, which makes positive. So 36 plus 72. That'll be all over 2 times 2, which is 4. X equals 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 plus 72, that's 108. Then divided by 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and factor out the 108. This is where simplifying square roots comes in handy. So I know 108 can be divided by 2. So that's going to be a 54. 54 can be divided by 2. And that makes 27, which can be divided by 3. Leaves 9. Divided by 3, and that leaves a 3. So there are two pairs here. Pair of 3s, pair of 2s. So what that means is this radical 108 is going to reduce to, let's see, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 on the outside, and then 3 on the inside, so 6 radical 3. X equals 6 plus or minus 6 radical 3, all over 4. Now 6 and 4 can be reduced by 2, as can this 6 and 4. You have to reduce everything. You can't just reduce a 6 and 4 here. You have to reduce everything. So x equals 3 plus or minus 3 radical 3 all over 2. There's your final answer. Notice that I reduced the 2 with the 6 on the left and also the 6 on the right. Again, you have to reduce everything. You can't just reduce one thing.